Hello guys, today we are going to show you we have created a string game in which we have converted a string like first letter capital, convert string to lowercase, remove all space from string, reverse string on same position, reverse string with sentence, start in class, trim string, convert string to uppercase. So we will start this start string game and we will run it. This is our code. We will run this game. As you can see, enter 1 to trim string. Here we will press 1 and enter. Get trim. Like we are giving string as space subscribe VIRAJ check space enter. You can see input string as subscribe VIRAJ check space length before trim 24 string after trim subscribe VIRAJ check and length after trim 20. 4 character of space have been removed. Again, next we will enter to remove all space from the string, like to enter the string to get space removed. Will input same subscribe VIRAJ channel parameter. Here you can see we have removed all space. Subscribe VIRAJ tech channel. Now we will go for reverse string on same position. 3 enter string to get reverse on its position. Subscribe VIRAJ channel input. You can see subscribe as reverse, VIRAJ as reverse, tech as reverse, channel as reverse. We are getting this same sentence, but their words are reverse. Next, we will go for reverse string with sentence, like for enter, subscribe, VIRAJ tech channel, enter. You see channel reverse first, channel, then tech, then VIRAJ, and subscribe to last. Here string is reverse as well as so reverse. Now next we go for 5 number, convert string into lowercase. 5 enter, caps lock, subscribe, VIRAJ, and enter. You can see all letter are in a small lowercase. Subscribe VIRAJ tech channel. Next we will go for 6 convert string 6 enter, and now we will write subscribe VIRAJ tech channel, like subscribe VIRAJ tech channel. All letters are getting into uppercase. Next, we will press 7 to capitalize first letter of the 7 and subscribe to VIRAJ Tech channel. Here you can see first letter S is get capitalized, and here VIRAJ, V capitalized, T capitalized, and C capitalized. Like this, we have played with our string, and we will press 8 to exit this game. 8 enter. Thanks for using this app. So this is our string game. You will get this code in description. I will upload it on GitHub. You can get it from there. If you like the video, hit the like button and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.